It's that time of year again to make my New Year's resolutions. And this year, I really mean it. Resolution number 1, I'm going to get more spiritual. And it's going to stick. I'm going to live in the moment, in the now. Because I'm going to have the power of now. Getting more spiritual is going to help me to calm down, but I really need to calm down. Calm my thoughts, calm my body. I have these weird heart palpitations now. My spine makes crackly noises all the time, and I'm going to find out about that, and I'm going to find out if I have spinal bifida, because it feels like something's going on back there. But this is the year that I think good thoughts and secret it to me out there.